The past few months have seen several meetings between government and the Medical Association and demonstrations by medical interns over non-deployment. Now, a cabinet meeting held on Monday reveals that there could finally be headway.
We presented our challenges and they have tasked finance to go back and find ways of getting this money, if it means suppressing some activity, because this is a priority for us.
On several occasions, the Ministry of Health has said it was short of about 32 billion shillings to pay allowances for medical interns. Intern doctors, dental surgeons and pharmacists earn 2.7 million shillings, whereas intern nurses and midwives earn 2.5 million shillings in the revised salary structure for health workers.
Every month we are supposed to pay for the time they spend, but also just not really, it's not a salary, it's just allowance for their living, you know, like buying food, rent, because we don't have enough houses. So this we could not deploy because that was not very clear how we would do it without resources.
However, Dr. Atwine says there is a disconnect between them and the Education Ministry that produces excess numbers of medical interns.
We do believe that if we get numbers at the time of budgeting, if education could do that, because that's where has been a challenge. If education could give us numbers, so then we incorporate that number into our budget. For the next, for example, now in September, we are going to start budgeting, but we don't know the number.
Government is yet to precisely deal with the challenges in the health sector, since senior house officers are also on strike for non-payment. This, as medical officers special grade, also demand a raise.
Give us money. For example, SHOs, they gave us money for 361 in SHOs, but we got 800. So the money we paid, it got finished early before. And then also the same thing for interns. We got for less number, we got big number. Then we paid and we remained with some months not paid.
While presenting the ministerial statement for financial year 2023-24, Minister Jane Ruth Acheng said the budget cuts also meant that there are no funds for coordination of senior house staff. She said the ministry budgeted for 10.8 billion shillings, but only 2.16 billion was availed. Walter Mwesije, NTV.
Madam, sit up! Madam, sit up! You